Hello guys, welcome back to my second video on Rain World. I started off over there, well ended it off over there, or here. Now I'm going somewhere with my child and hope for some a shelter and food nearby because obvious reasons. My child's very hungry and things like that. I'll check up here for any luck. Alright. Now what should I call you? I'll name you myself, there aren't any comments. Under the last video or this one. Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Is this better? Yeah, probably. Oh god. Okay, yeah. This is probably better. Yep. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. 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 Alright. Alright. This should be good. Just have to adjust my microphone noise. Alright. Poppy corn. Eat up, child. My little baby. Oh, what's that? Anyway, my little baby. You're so cute. Anyways, oh, it was a butterflies. Neat. If I'm correct, there's some grubs here. Oh, nope, I'm wrong. It must have been a different thing. Wait, I need my spear. Alrighty. Honestly, I should have grabbed a pearl, but too late now. Alright, Karma 4. Hello. Alright. Got my speed back. And why does everything look more greenish than usual? The heck? Okay, anyway. Yeah, this is the way to the ending. How many cycles? Or what cycle is it? Yeah, I don't know. Alrighty, off we go. Back in the outskirts. Now I'm here once more. Honestly, I should have leaped. But like, too late now, I guess. little flies, and what's that orange thing over there? God. What's trying to kill your children? What? Oh. Oh, it's probably that pink lizard. Yeah, understandable. I'd be mad as well. Well, I need to give myself a little boost. We are chill. Okay. And, I didn't make it. Great. Oh. Oh, it was a baby centipede. Yum. Oh, heck. Eat up. Eat up, little guy. Oh my god, it escaped. Great. It was my fault, honestly. Anyways. Come on. Come here. Hey, wait. Wait. Okay, yeah. Take a fruit. Eat. You don't want it? Okay. More for me. Baby centipedes are delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Like some pups. Don't like them very much, but like, can't be picky. Or you can, I guess. But like, you gotta eat. Or you'll die. Oh hey, strange energy. No. Alright. Hey, wait. Okay. Okay, hold on. Here. Catch. Hey, little dude. Are you gonna eat your fruit? Eat up. Alright. Oh. You don't like fruit. Oh. Oopsies, I ate mushroom. I ate a mushroom on accident. Oh. Anyway, can this annoying effect done, please? Hello. Oh, god, that's a lizard. Finally. Ow. God's sake. No. Store this. No, you're not going into the wormgrass. Wormgrass is very bad at them. Wants to eat you, and wow, that's a territory battle. Oh my god, how many times you just go? Fight the other lizard. Yes. Bite him. bite his face off. Oh. Or just don't, I guess. Or please do, actually. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Right, I've evaded that guy. Oh hey, bat play or noodle? It's probably a bat play. No bear. Anyway, back here. I am back here again. Hello, squid. Kata. Leave me alone, please. I'm going the other way. Anyway, back I go, and oh my god, how? Oh! I do not have much time, do I? Anyway, back here once again. Why not? I suppose I could trade with the scabs. A bit. If these lizards go away, of course. Dude, go away. Okay. Oh god. Bitch, go. Or bad guy. Go. Oh, there seems to be a pink lizard with a spear in it. In its body, I mean. Hello. Hello guys. Here. You can have bomb. And mushroom. There you go, please. Oh. Oh god, no. Please give me just a moment. There you go now. Oh god, I am very sorry. Excuse you? I take one thing on accident and I get murdered. Hell no, I am not taking this. I am not taking up with this. Give me a moment, please. Guys, anyway, I got past VTOL and, now I got, 2 more places to be, got 2 more places from the Wonder Passage and, Survivor Passage. Excuse me, in the Dragon Slayer Passage. Excuse me. guy, your temporary name is Little Billy. Or just Billy. Yeah, Billy. Anyway. Squidcadas. Hello. I'd appreciate it if y'all forgot to grab one of you. Thank you. I can now comfortably jump over these. I appreciate it. Oh god, that is a vulture. Yep. That thing we call vulture. Those things we call vultures. Here. Dang bird. Go away. Oh god. Please do not. Told you. Honestly, I might and try get the mask. Hold on, I gotta get some water, guys. I forgot to unpause, but here is a caramel lizard and a green lizard. The caramel lizard can spit, well, caramel, which slows you down and things like that, pretty obviously. Honestly, might try and tame one. Nah. Once they see me with this mask, they'll be afraid from 15 seconds and run away from me. So yeah, that's pretty good, nice. Is it not? Boo, I'm scary. Oh god. Nice. Barely any bees got on me. Okay, actually, the bees are very annoying, and I don't like them. Like, at all. Hold on, let me just check out the map real quick. Alright guys, I'm shelter and continue it tomorrow or next video. I really have no other choice. Oh god, the bees. I'm spamming spacebar for my life right now. No, you little. There goes my slug pup. Can you do this? No, I can't. Billy. Yeah, I'm gonna just end it off here because the video is getting to the 20-minute point. And it died. Anyway, bye bye guys. Have fun and have a good day/night. Bye.